Hi, everyone. This is Scarlett Hayes, and welcome to A Code. Before we dive in, if you're new here and enjoy content about coding, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. Now, let's get into it. In this video, we will create a customer registration app. Creating a simple customer registration app with SQLite is a great way to manage and store customer information in a lightweight database. Let me walk you through how to build this step by step in Python. SQLite is a simple, serverless database engine that stores data in a single file. It works really well for small applications, and the best part is that you do not need a complex setup to use it. We will use Python Euro S built-in SQLite 3 module to handle database operations. Here is an example of the code. Connect to the SQLite database, or create it if it does not exist. This is where the customer data will be stored. Create a cursor object to execute SQL commands. Create a table to store customer information. We will store the customer's name, email, and phone number. Function to add a new customer to the database. Insert the new customer data into the table. Commit the changes to the database. Function to display all customers in the database. Retrieve all customer data from the table. Print out each customer's data. Function to search for customer by email. Find a customer by their email address. Adding a few customers for testing. Display all customers. Search for a specific customer by email. Close the connection to the database. Now run our code. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'd love to have you as part of the community. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.